worsted weight yarn, which is a weight for yarn, and a 6.5 crochet hook. The reason for the oversized hook is that it makes it so much easier to find the exact loops of where you want to insert your hook. The foundation chain begins with a slip knot on the hook, and I'm dyslexic and ambidextrous. Really dangerous combination. And so we'll both get frustrated and confused if I try to describe it. So please watch it in slow motion. I may actually be doing it left-handed, and I had no idea until I started making this video series. I hold the hook still, wrap the yarn over the hook, grab that like the hook was a claw, tug a little on the base I'm crocheting into to open the hatch, and easily slide the loop through that. Let's see that again in slow motion. Hold the working piece as close to the slip knot as possible. Bring the yarn over the top of your hook. Rotate the tip of the hook down so that it mimics the shape of the loop on the hook. This makes you pulling the yarn through easier. It's kind of like having a little claw and grabbing the yarn on the other side of the hook, and then pulling. Then when you pull down, it opens the door, and then you pull the yarn through that door that you just created. Each completed motion forms a single V. You see some people having it angled up and then switch it down. There's no reason that I can see to have it anything but sideways. It just makes an extra action that's a little bit harder when you're starting out. Got a loop. You got a stick going through the loop. Wrap some yarn around the stick, and you're just pulling it through the loop. The most important factor in keeping the chain straight is to continuously adjust your grip every few stitches. Don't let your hand down all the way at the bottom of the piece. I know I've seen people teaching it that way. It can be done, but it's not as easy. I'm all about easy. The first row of chain stitches specified in a pattern is known as the foundation chain, and you'll often see that is stated like 60 plus 4 or 20 plus 2, depending on the height of whatever stitch they're going to have you use on the, like if you're doing a single crochet, it'll be 1 chain. If you're doing a half double crochet, it'll be 2 chains, and so on. If you do decide to continue and not throw it the wall and tear it out your hair, we'll be making this attractive little bookmark that is almost entirely made out of chain stitches. This little flower is made out of chain stitches. This little leaf is made out of chain stitches. And that, my friends, is how it's done. If you're ready to add even more to your repertoire, check out the full stitch dictionary and the full Crochet 101 course coming soon.